In last part, we solve question number 1 from exercise 3.1. So see question second. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is a and common difference is d in each of the following. So here a equals to 10 is given in first sub question and d equals to 5. We have to write arithmetic progression. So for that we know that T1 is equals to A. So we get here T1 as 10. Then we have to find the next value. So for that we know the formula Tn plus 1 is equals to Tn plus D. So we use here. First we write given part in answer. A equals to 10, D equals to 5. And we know that T1 equals to A and A is 10. So T1 equals to 10. Since the common difference d equals to 5 which is given, so we use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus d for finding the next value. So when we replace this n by 1, here we get 1 plus 1 2. So T2 equals to T1 plus d. So we write here T2 is equals to T1 plus d. Value of T1 is 10 and value of D is 5. So we get 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Similarly, we can find value of third term, that is T3. So we write T3 equals to T2 plus D. Now value of T2 we calculate 15. So replace this T2 by 15, D by 5. So we get 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Similarly, we find T4 by using T4 is equals to T3 plus D. So T3 we calculate 20, D is 5, so 20 plus 5 which is 25. Now these are the sufficient terms, that means we find up to 3 terms or up to 4 terms. So we write this in arithmetic progression. So we write here, hence an arithmetic progression with common difference 5 is first term is 10, so T1 is 10, second term T2 is 15, so we write T2 15, T3 is 20 and T4 is 25, comma so on. So this is arithmetic progression when A equals to 10 is the first term and common difference is 5. Now see second sub question. Write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. So second sub question, here A equals to minus 3, D equals to 0. So first we write the given part. So in answer we write A equals to minus 3, D equals to 0. So this A is first term, so we write T1 equals to A equals to minus 3. Since the common difference D equals to 0 is given, so we again use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus D. So first term we calculate as T2 equals to T1 plus D. Now substitute the value of T1 as minus 3, value of D as 0. So minus 3 plus 0 which is minus 3. Similarly we find T3 by using the formula T3 equals to T2 plus D. Now substitute T2 as minus 3 and D as 0. So we get here minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. So similarly we find T4 equals to T3 plus D, which is equals to, now T3 is minus 3, D is 0, so minus 3 plus 0 minus 3. So in this way we get the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. First term is given, that is value of A. So we write here, hence an arithmetic progression with common difference 0 is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Now see next sub question, question number 3rd. In sub question 3rd, A equals to minus 7, D equals to 1 by 2. So again we write the given part first in solution. So write in answer A equals to minus 7, D equals to 1 by 2. So let T1 equals to A equals to minus 7 and common difference D equals to 1 by 2. So we use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus d. So first we write T2 as T1 plus d, and value of T1 is minus 7, value of d is 1 by 2. So cross multiply this, we get minus 7 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So we write here minus 7 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14 plus 1 as it is upon 2 as it is. Minus 14 plus 1, which is minus 13 upon 2. So in this way we calculate the value of T2. Now find the value of T3. So we have to use the formula T3 is equals to T2 plus d. So we write here T3 is equals to T2 plus d. Value of T2 we calculate minus 13 by 2. So replace this T2 by minus 13 by 2, and d is 1 by 2. Now base is same, so we add the numerator. So we write in numerator minus 13 plus 1 upon 2. So we get here minus 13 plus, which is minus 12. So minus 12 upon 2 we get minus 6. This is third term. Now we find fourth term. So we write here formula T4 equals to T3 plus d. Now substitute the value of T3 as minus 6 and d as 1 by 2. Again cross multiply this. So minus 6 into 2 we get minus 12 plus 1. So minus 12 plus 1 we get minus 11, in denominator 2 as it is. So we get fourth term as minus 11 by 2. So we write here, hence an arithmetic progression with common difference 1 by 2 is minus 7, minus 13 by 2, then minus 6, then minus 11 by 2. This is arithmetic progression when first term is minus 7 and common difference d is 1 by 2. Now see fourth sub question. A equals to minus 1.25 and d equals to 3. So first we write the given part. In answer write a equals to minus 1.25, d equals to 3. That means first term is T1, that is the value of a. So we write here T1 equals to a equals to minus 1.25 and common difference d equals to 3. Now we use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus d. We find second term. So we write here T2 equals to T1 plus d. T1 is minus 1.25 and d is 3. So minus 1.25 plus 3, that is 3 minus 1.25. So for our convenience write this 3 as 3.00. So after subtracting this we get 1.75, which is second term. Now we have to find the third term. So we write here T3 is equals to T2 plus d. Now T2 is 1.75, which we calculate here, and d is 3. So we get here 3 plus 1, that is 4.75. So the value of third term is 4.75. Now we have to find the fourth term. So we write T4 equals to T3 plus d. Now T3 is 4.75, which we calculate in previous step, and d is 3. So 3 plus 4 7, and this 0.75. So we get 7.75 as the value of fourth term. So write the arithmetic progression. Hence an arithmetic progression with common difference 3 is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75. So in this way we get the arithmetic progression for first term a equals to minus 1.25 and common difference d equals to 3. Now see fifth sub question. Here a equals to 6, d equals to minus 3. So again we write the given part in solution first. So write in solution or in answer a equals to 6, d equals to minus 3. So first term T1 equals to a. So a is 6. So we get T1 equals to 6. Since the common difference d equals to minus 3, so we use the formula here Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus d. We find second term. So we write here T2 equals to T1 plus d. Now T1 is 6 and D is minus 3. So we write here 6 plus in bracket minus 3. So plus minus minus. So write here 6 minus 3, which is 3. Similarly, we find T3. So write formula first. T3 equals to T2 plus D. T2 is 3, D is minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. We get 0. So third term is 0. Now we find fourth term. So write the formula. T4 equals to T3 plus D. T3 is 0, D is minus 3. So 0 plus or minus minus 3. 0 minus 3 we get minus 3. So the fourth term is minus 3. So we write arithmetic progression as. Hence an arithmetic progression with common difference minus 3 is 6, 3, 0, minus 3 and so on. Now see 6th sub question. A equals to minus 19, D equals to minus 4. So we write the given part first in answer. In answer write A equals to minus 19, D equals to minus 4 and T1 equals to A and value of A is minus 19 and common difference D is minus 4. So this is given part. So from given part we get the value of first term, which is the value of A. Now we have to find the second term. So for that we use the formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus D. So first we write here second term equals to, that is T2 equals to T1 plus D. Now T1 is minus 19, D is minus 4. So plus minus we get minus 4, minus 19 minus 4, which we get minus 23. So the second term value is minus 23. Now we find next value, that is T3. So we write T3 equals to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 23 and D is minus 4. So minus 23 minus 4 we get minus 27. So we find fourth term. So for fourth term we write the formula T4 equals to T3 plus D. T3 is minus 27, D is minus 4. So after adding this minus 27 minus 4 we get minus 31. So we write here arithmetic progression. Hence an arithmetic progression with common difference minus 4 is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31 and so on. Now see question number 3. Find the first term and common difference for each of the arithmetic progression. So the arithmetic progression is 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. So in answer we write the given arithmetic progression first. So we write in answer as 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, which is arithmetic progression of the given terms. Now here we have to find the first term and common difference. First term means value of A, that is A equals to T1 or T1 equals to A equals to. So first we write here T1, T2, T3, T4. So first term T1 equals to 5. Second term T2 equals to 1. Third term T3 equals to minus 3 and fourth term as minus 7. So we need only 3 terms because we have to find first term and common difference. So we write up to 3 terms only. Using formula Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus D. So from this we can find the value of D. So we write D equals to Tn plus 1 minus Tn. That means we can find value of D by using T2 minus T1 or by using T3 minus T2. So we write here D equals to T2 minus T1 equals to T2 is 1, T1 is 5. So we write 1 minus 5, which is equals to minus 4. Similarly we find by using T3 minus T2. So here the common difference D equals to minus 4 and first term is 5. So you can use in place of T2 minus T1 T3 minus T2 also. You get the same value. because given progression is arithmetic progression. Now see second sub question. Here also we have to find the first term and the common difference. So we write first term, second term, third term, and then use the formula for common difference. So in answer we write first given arithmetic progression, then first term t1 equals to 0.6, second term equals to 0.9, third term equals to 1.2, and fourth term equals to 1.5. So second term t2 equals to 0.9, third term t3 equals to 1.2. So using formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d, we rearrange the terms. So we get d equals to tn plus 1 minus tn. That means we have to find t2 minus t1. So we get here t2 minus t1, t2 is 0.9, t1 is 0.6. So 0.9 minus 0.6, we get 0.3. Hence common difference d equals to 0.3 and first term is 0.6. Now see third sub question. Values are 127, 135, 143, 151. So first we write given arithmetic progression, then we write first term t1 equals to 127, second term as 135, third term as 143. Now we use the formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d. So we write d equals to tn plus 1 minus tn. Now we have to find the common difference. So we use t2 and t1. So write d equals to t2 minus t1. Value of t2 is 135. Value of t1 is 127. So we get 135 minus 127, which is 8. That means first term is 127 and common difference is 8. Now see sub question 4. Here 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4 are the first, second, third and fourth terms respectively. So we write t1 equals to 1 by 4, t2 equals to 3 by 4, t3 equals to 5 by 4. So using the formula tn plus 1 equals to tn plus d, so we use d equals to tn plus 1 minus tn. So we write d equals to t2 minus t1. So we get here 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So here is one print mistake. So we write here base same 3 minus 1. So we have to write here plus 2. So we get 2 by 4, which is plus 1 by 4. So we write here instead of minus 2 by 4, we have to write plus 2 by 4 and we get the answer 1 by 4 here. So in this way we find the common difference d equals to plus 1 by 2 and first term is 1 by 4. So in this way we complete exercise 3.1. So in next part we will see nth term and problem based on that.